How's it going? Dave here, and welcome to episode number 9 of Spicy Saturdays. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the solo for my debut single, Shimmer. So I've been a bit pressed for time this week, so what I'm doing is I'm taking a video from the course that I created on the song Shimmer, and just showing you that. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be breaking down the chord progression, and then a few of the little tricks I added in to the solo. Take a listen to the solo, and then we'll jump into the explanation. I hope you enjoy. So weirdly enough, the solo of this song is probably the easiest part of the entire song to play. And I won't be actually taking a look too much at the solo itself, but we'll be taking a look more at the underlying chords. The chords really are what make this solo interesting to listen to. So we're playing an A major 7, okay, B7 with the suspension, okay. Then we're playing a G7 flat 13 again, or G sharp 7 flat 13, okay. Nice amount of tension that chord adds, and then that leads us very nicely, dominant 7th chords, especially alto dominant chords, lead us nicely into the chord of 5th below, so C sharp minor 7, okay. Then we're moving to some chords that are out of the key. We're playing A minor 9 and D7, okay. So to explain these two chords, we're gonna have to kind of change how we see the chord progression. We're not playing now in the key of C sharp minor. Think about this from the perspective of E major, okay? So the chords in C sharp minor and E major are exactly the same. All we're thinking about now is that we're playing in a major key rather than a minor key, okay? So we're playing in the key of E major for this chord progression. Okay, now these chords are borrowed from the parallel minor key. So what you can do is take the parallel minor key, which is E minor, okay? Parallel meaning has the same root note, so the minor key with the same root note, so E minor, and yeah, in E minor, we've got a D7. Before D7 usually comes a C major 7 or an A minor, okay? I'm playing an A minor, and that leads us nicely into the D7. That would usually lead us into an E major, but we're going back to the C sharp minor, okay? So far in the chord progression, we've got A major 7, B7, G sharp 7 flat 13, C sharp minor 7. Then we're going to the parallel minor key, E minor, playing an A minor 9, D7, then back to our standard key, E major or C sharp minor, and then we're playing these 4 chords. So what we're doing is we're descending chromatically in the bass. So we're playing a C sharp minor 7, okay, a C diminished 7th chord, a B7 chord, okay, and then we move to a G sharp major chord, okay, and that's the entire chord progression. We are pretty much just playing C sharp minor pentatonic for the entire solo, except for when we move to this E minor section where we move to the scale of E minor pentatonic, okay? So, okay. Now some interesting things I'm doing in the solo, okay? Very legato with these octave shapes, yeah? So if we're playing the 13th fret on the D string, 16 on the B, but we're not just playing it, we're sliding into it with a grace note, yeah? And then we're adding a little slide vibrato, so that's where we slide up and down, alternating between this fret and the fret above. Okay, and then we're sliding down to the 11th fret and then the 9th fret. So we're actually picking just once, yeah? All of those notes, okay? It has to sound really, really smooth. That's where we move to our E minor key, and then back to the C sharp minor. Okay, and again, more C sharp minor pentatonic licks. Adding a little bit of the blue note there. Okay, just adds a little bit more spice to the solo. Playing those double stops in unison, yeah. Yeah, try and get them nice and in tune. And then we're finishing the solo on a little bit of dissonance, okay? These two notes are in the C sharp minor scale. When played together, they clash, create a bit of dissonance, but it's a dissonance that sounds quite pretty, I think. So maybe you can start adding some dissonance into your solos. Those, they sound really disgusting on their own, but if both the notes are in the key, then it can sound quite nice. So that's the breakdown of the solo. If you often struggle with writer's block and trying to come up with unique and original ideas for your chord progressions, check out my book, Chord Charisma 2.0. Link is down in the description. It is going to be the ultimate solution and system for writing amazing next level chord progressions. So check it out and hopefully I'll see you in there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Let me know what you thought in the comments and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Here's another video that I think you'll enjoy if you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you there. Have a good one.